First cast. First cast rockfish. See you, buddy. Come on. Alright, back at the Narrows yet again. Looking for more topwater rockfish action. There's gotta be some better ones around. What the heck? This thing was just swimming around with it. A little better. Go. A little 15-incher. Buddy. That thing just took it and swam towards me. Fish. Head shakes, head shakes. Come on, buddy. What in the world is that? Oh, there we go. Yep, it's a striper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, finally. Whew. This should be my first keeper of the year. Ah, on the troll, baby. Trolling the jerkbait. Three hooks in him. 3 treble hooks in this bad boy. Whoo! Yeah. No, I saw him hitting it though. I kept seeing it tap. I was like holding it like this, and I like jerked it up with my hand. And as soon as I did that, it like, started going down. Oh really? Yeah, this should be a keeper, hopefully. I caught 2 small ones off here earlier, TopWater. And on this bad boy, 21. What? About 21. Hell yeah. Yes. Alright, got my 1 fish limit for a rockfish. Finally, caught him on this deep diving Rapala shad wrap again. And the white and blue. Caught him in pretty deep water. So today I've had 3 strikes and landed 3 fish. Last time I had probably 50 strikes. I only landed like 2 fish. Crazy how different it can be from day to day. Alright, I'm back the next day with the fish. Let them sit on ice overnight. I'm gonna try to cut them up for some sushi. It's my first time trying. I'm just gonna scale them and fillet them first. Alright, got all the scales off. Get them off. Fillet off the rock. Rockfish, little bits of meat on there, pretty much got all of it. I'm just gonna skin this. I'm actually going to save this skin and do something with it later. Filleted and skinned. Since I'm gonna eat this raw, trim some of this red meat off that I usually don't, make it a little bit less fishy. Let's see. Cut down the middle. This we're gonna make some nigiri, and this we're just gonna eat raw, like sashimi. Got our fish cut up, some sushi rice. Sushi rice is just white rice mixed with vinegar, sugar, salt, a couple other things. This is my first time making this ever. It's gonna be terrible, but whatever. Wet your hands a little bit. A little bit of rice into a square. Fish. A little bit of wasabi inside. Nice. Shape it. Right. It's okay. First nigiri ever made. Just one. Here it is. First time making nigiri with fresh rockfish caught yesterday. Pretty crappy, but I'm not a professional chef. I've never made sushi before, and it should taste okay. Fry up these rockfish skins. Light coating of salt. Some rice flour. All heated. Shallow fry these up. Alright, they're probably fried for like 1 minute. That. Alright. Fried rockfish skins. Little crunchy rockfish skins. Pretty tasty. It's where all the fat is on the fish. If you don't want to waste it, it's a good little way to cook them up. Tastes like little shrimp chips. If you ever had those before. Alright. We have rockfish nigiri. Some sashimi. Fried rockfish skins. Let's give this a taste. This is some soy sauce. Very good. The fresh fish, you don't get any fishiness at all. Sushi rice is good. Crunchy guy. Well, this is fun. Making my first sushi ever. Turned out okay. Could be better. Not a professional chef. Just a guy who likes to eat food and catch fish. So I like to try new things. And this was very good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
과자 같아. 뺏어 먹어봐. 기가 막혀.